Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Yelp, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Yelp, start by visiting the Yelp website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Click on the sign up button, usually located in the top right corner. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and password. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the link to verify your account. Once confirmed, return to the Yelp homepage and log in. To connect with businesses, search for the specific business name in the search bar. Select the business from the search results to view its Yelp page. If you want to write a review, click on the Write a Review button on the business's page. Share your experience, rating, and any photos you have. To connect with friends, navigate to the Friends tab in your profile. You can invite friends via email or connect your social media accounts. Explore the Events section for local gatherings or activities related to businesses you like. To personalize your experience, complete your profile settings. Add a profile picture and fill out your bio to let others know more about you. Engage with the Yelp community by responding to reviews or following other users. Consider joining Yelp's Elite Squad for perks and recognition if you frequently review. Ensure you keep your account active by regularly posting reviews and updating your profile. For businesses wanting to connect with Yelp, claim your business page through the Claim Your Business link. Provide necessary information such as address, phone number, and business hours. Once claimed, manage your business profile to update details and respond to customer inquiries. Monitor reviews and engage with customers to enhance your business's online presence. Utilize Yelp's advertising options to promote your business further. Check back frequently to stay updated on reviews and interactions. Connecting with Yelp can help you build a strong online presence and community engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.